internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Zenpop box unboxing video and this is the June Zenpop box. So let's get into it. Oh, look at this little postcard. How cute is this? Okay, I totally missed it. I flipped this over and I was like, ignore. If you want to get any information on the products here, then you just scan this QR code, which, yeah, I guess it makes sense because you are not printing as much paper. I've called it up and you can see that this month's, or June's topic is blue sky. Alright, so this, first up, it's this beautiful postcard with seagulls. They look like seagulls to me. Alright, and the next one is eraser. I love these translucent erasers. I don't know if they actually work better than the regular opaque erasers, but they do look much cooler. And then we've got some pens, well, one pen that I'll try at the end of this video. And this is a pencil, it is HB. Oh, and we have some Deco Tape. I've been collecting these a lot recently. They've been coming up in a lot of my subscription boxes. So, if you can see this is what it is. It's like a rainbow tape to it. Sorry for the focusing issues. I'm trying a different camera, but I think I might have to go back to my old one. And then we have some washi tape. Let me just quickly open this up. You guys can see the washi tape. This is like triangles, blue, green colors. Very pretty. And then this looks like an envelope. Yeah, like a little pocket. It's cardboard. So yeah, I guess you could just put anything in here. Just a cute envelope, pouch. And then we have some sticker strips. Like traditionally I've seen these as washi strips, but really it's more, these look like transparent tape instead, rather than actual washi paper. So you pull it out like this. And then you can see all the transparent, yeah, it's see-through. That's cool, very cute. And then the last piece is a letter set. A beautiful cloud-like letter set. I'm not going to open it up, but yeah, you can kind of see the envelopes. Very, very tranquil. And yeah, that is everything in June's Zenpop box. Let's go try out this pen. So this is a dual tip pen. It's the Zig Clean Color Chalk Pastel. Oh, this might actually work really well on black paper, but I don't think I have any lying around right now. So you've got a thicker part, 1.2 mils, and then a 1 millimeter. So, you know what? You can hardly see it. Oh, you can see it on camera pretty well. In person, it's much more faded. And then I've got a thinner version here. Yeah, you can see it way better on camera. For some reason, in person, it's very light. This is not black, but this is an old post-it note set, and you've got one here that's a little on the darker side, so I thought I would try it out and see what it looks like on darker paper. Oh, it's not really coming up, so maybe it isn't intended for black paper. Even though it says, like it says chalk pastel, that would make me think that it's more on the chalky side. It's a thicker one. No, it's not showing up really well. I wonder if it dries. It's starting to dry, it might show up a little bit better, potentially. Alright, this is mostly dry now. It's still not showing up, not nearly as well as it is on the white paper. So, well, there you have it. That is everything in June's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.